I've been putting work in, I put in that work. I got some new work and can put you to work. I've been putting work in,
Welcome to Pugs Pantry.
put in that work. I got some new work and can put you to work. Yeah, look, serving on the loaf, I was certainly first. That was me.
It's PUG, man. Welcome back to the Pantry. Newest member of Pugs Pantry family right here. It's my man, Pluto. Say what's up, Pluto. Pluto says what's up. So today, I'm gonna be showing y'all how we get down in the kitchen for the pets. Dogs need love too, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take care of these puppies we got, these dogs we got, keep them nice and healthy, and I'm gonna show you the way I do it. All right, so with the dog food, real simple. Not many ingredients to get from the grocery store. 3 things. The first thing you'll need, some boiled and shredded chicken. Second thing you'll need, some brown rice. Simple. Just take some brown rice, steam it, let it set, cool down. There you go. And the third thing we'll be using is some vegetables, peas and carrots. And you can get that in your frozen food section at the grocery store, nuke it in the microwave, or you can do it fresh if you want, but just keep it simple. Get your little bag, put it in the microwave for about 5-6 minutes. There you go. So we got some protein, we got some grains in there, and we got some vegetables. Nice balanced meal for a dog, right? For a human, you know? I eat the same thing he eats. I eat dog food too. Nah, but also, you know, you can just do that and let it sit alone and serve it like that. But I like to put a little kibble in there too. And I know you're thinking, why are you mixing kibble in there, right? You know, well, it's like for me. We like different textures with our food too, right? Just think of it that way. I'm just giving them some extra textures, and that's that. So I came up with these ingredients basically to hit the key points on how to give your dog proper nutrition. 1, it's a puppy, it's a growing dog, and even if it's not a puppy, you still wanna make sure your dog's getting protein. If you read the label on your dog foods and all your kibble and all that, the main ingredient in all of it's pretty much gonna be chicken. So I'm just giving him some fresh chicken. And also keep in mind, I don't just feed him this all day. This just goes into one of his like 3 meals a day, just to give him something different, you know, give him some goodies. Instead of feeding my dog food out of my hand from the table, I give him his own plate in his bowl. That's how we do it. 2, you know, carrots and the peas, just like we need vegetables. It helps the dogs too, giving them proper nutrients, fiber. You know, carrots are really good for their teeth, things like that. And then, you know, rice, the brown rice, fiber, you know, a good filler also, meal replacement. So all of these things work together. And like I said, if you look at the bag on your dog food, it'll pretty much have these same ingredients in the dog food. But just give it to them fresh. It's not gonna hurt them. It's great for them. All right, just like that. Remember, man, pets need love too. Pets are people too. Not really, they're animals, but love them well, feed them good, take care of them. Don't always just give them dry food, man. Show them love, spread love. Ain't that right, Pluto? Yeah, we out. Let's go for a walk. You're gonna poop soon.
Look, serving on the loaf, I was certainly first. That was me. Mr. Roswell Road, the king of the curb. Whoa, whoa. I started with the perp and moved up to the sherbet. You know, how much could I earn was my only concern. Yeah, yeah.